There goes nothing.
It's not that bad.
It definitely numbs your tongue. Like my lips are a little bit numb.
When you drink it, how does it make you feel?
Feel relaxed. Like when you smoke marijuana, the feeling is almost like this.
It's good, numb, relaxed, make me feel relaxed.
Sakao, we don't kill people. You drink vodka, you kill people.
How much did you drink already?
Feel calm, like relax my body.
Makes me weak. Cannot do my work.
Today I'm going to introduce you to a wild drug that many people are consuming around the Pacific.
Good?
Good. I tried it once years back in Vanuatu. So in the South Pacific countries, they drink this stuff called Kava, which is made from the ground, and you drink it in these little bowls like this. Cheers.
just one go, don't smell it here. I tricked you.
But now I'm here in Pohnpei, Micronesia to try it again and tell you guys all about it. Inside this coconut shell is a drink called Kava, or as the locals call it,
Sakao.
It's a thick, rough, and slimy drink that looks, tastes, and smells like mud.
That looks just so gross. How much is a bottle if you want to buy one?
$6.
That's it? $6.
Here in Pohnpei, the capital and biggest island of Micronesia, Sakao is readily available in households,
Big drink today.
Yeah?
villages, and in small makeshift bars on the side of the street.
Okay, you can see all the cars are lined up here to go to the Sakao bar.
Russians have their vodka, Italians have their wine, Pohnpeians have their Sakao.
It's the social drug of the island and is 100% legal.
This is your actual Sakao plant. It's been harvested, it's ready to be pounded.
Pohnpeians drink it every single day.
For weddings, social gatherings, if you were to kill somebody and you just take the plant, you squeeze it, prepare it, you give it to the family, and then if they drink it, which means they accept your apology and you guys are good. Yeah.
So you're saying you can get away with murder by giving someone Sakao?
Supposedly, but don't kill anybody though.
No, we're not recommending people to die. But...
I learned that the preparation process is a holy experience in itself. They really take this stuff seriously. To make it, the roots are laid on a flat stone that they got from the river. Then they are pounded with rocks in a rhythmic beat while the hibiscus plant is being extracted. It's a skill to do this. You cannot just tear it. This is where the juice comes out of from. So they're gonna tie it, they're gonna soak it with water, and then squeeze it with the sakao. There's a chemical reaction between this hibiscus and the kava juice. You mix it all together with water, twist it around to gather the juice into a slimy concoction and squeeze it out. You drink it, you get drunk. I thought it was only consumed by men in villages, but I found out that women equally drink it as well. It's a unique experience that's only found here in Pohnpei. Man, that is just a wild experience. If you guys ever find yourself in the Pacific Islands, I would recommend giving it a try, but don't drink too much because you might start throwing up and sweating profusely. And yeah, if someone ever told me to define the word culture, I would tell them to come to Pohnpei, go to a Sakao bar, and enjoy.
I like your shirt. That's my country.
Yeah, I'm retired from U.S. Navy.
So, I'm single and nothing.
I'm Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world. It's electric, it's sexy, it's tasty, it's confusing, but above all, it's futuristic. The Japanese are innovators. They somehow